Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Cot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course. Ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka By Admission ka Badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka District Child Protection Unit Jungamandia District naga Jilla Karnataka kilawan ban IT syakatan social welfare jangka Sorkar Jilla iki arpu arnu Khynnah kibalawan yalamno na Karnataka hadim balap baka hostel ka bagisa Karnataka kedai ka babean bat ka claim license habakaran jikilal Phai kubor menteri katna social welfare ubladan lang hakapor bala IT yakini Khynnah ulong menta ka bahakamat ka baka Sorkar kanle kalong Pynrung Skul shuai kiri Khynnah bro arpo arngut high school Sorkar keberan hakaleng ka Jilla ulong baladaki kemik pa kimla ban siru katna puli putih jangka Sorkar kadania kala ban Pynrung Skul yaki ban penbiang yaki kot kisla baik kejinan kam jangki haskul kumban cupin kan mau bahau benai bladep na pedeng ki arpu sangu ki Khynnah ki bana kan ka Jilla arngut ki layap na kada ka jingat bi hakabam ke belasa ke batam na jing khawai holi ya ka bela penpoya hostel jongki bak kini ki arpu arngut ki buan Phai mentapat kila kempang parcha sumar ha Karnataka tak hadu bakina yo buan Phai no shila ka jong ka Jilla Boro kedeki Khynnah ke puli hakwe ka jaka puli ke belatip kum ka Google Educational Institution ke badan hakashnong 3G pura ke bahap Hamandia District jong Jilla Karnataka.
Yang Phai ya pi kini pa jong ni update yang tam ni update kiba di Dalbok Pynrung Kejuja kepada Sosi kepada nilai 2 orang di ministerial jongki Barlok jongki Andre dilompat kiba Dalbok pada kejadian Shimkia jong tim kejugi aga Directorate of Social Welfare kami tom yada but the whole Jogi, he ended, he done entire Jogi, but then the medical part of the yeah. I welcome Madam Agatha Sama, who has been here from morning for other duties as chairperson of the CWC. Special welcome to the team from Karnataka. 5-member team that accompanied these children. I'm sure that without your intervention and support, things would have become even more difficult for these young kids of ours. I extend my profuse welcome to all officers of the department and other line departments like the education department, from Patricia, who has been at the forefront in championing the cause of women and children. And it is with a huge sense of relief that we are gathered here to take back our kids who have faced a lot of difficulties during their stay, leading to the loss of 2 precious lives. The director, the Phai ini, who menteri jangka social welfare, but on the way the definition of which is very rare compared to what we generally understand when we speak of somebody who is a minister. Being a minister means I'm a part of the cabinet of the government of Meghalaya. But when we look at the verb of this particular word, the definition of minister as a verb says to attend to the needs of, to tend to take care of, to give aid, to give service. Away back kerja batai kemudian minister dah cover kolong ban kini ban semua ban syarikat ban aji ngerap ban aji sekali. And I did my duty more in the sense of this verb, to attend to tend, to take care of, to give aid, to give service, to afford, to give, to supply. Nearly adalah trip, we're very lucky that we are on a mission board. Whether you talk of Mission Pasaya, whether we talk of Mission Shakti, we have been on a proactive mission mode, trying our level best to reach out to those in need of support and succor and attention. And it is with this sense of service only that we have been able to get the union minister and the various ministries, the 5 ministries with which we are linked, to all come forward and support the various causes and requirements of the department. Lengjong I dan ini kuat, but kepada department bu leng jong hilang kalau oi kali kejinjir joki pampa iki gun iki joki balik balik kali karai joki shimet berbela shim rendah berkawai ke NGO Henry Nani Shatmat kuba director mention mengenai Ukraine, the state government Sorkar dan menerapkan yang SOP Standard Operating Procedures dan pentingnya pada kejin hak kuliah kan mempunyai saya kalanot kepada arbel nagi habit dari mana or di suatu yang aku percaya kepada hamdin, aku percaya kepada kejin cengai berlibat dan kejin step of technology di Khynnah di sini sama di sini di posisi kalian aku percaya pada kita dari ibu saya ini safety kejin cengai jom di Khynnah sama di sini kita di priority di sini. The part group and the officers of the education department by the Vietnam aspect by Kapanila Shambat attend Negative.com by the RTE along Shaiha who take Negative.com to be happy jogging. To in particular again about Hadu and the Jaga aka getting Ikti kiba kedau bet syaka Sorkar. Apa kerja ni kecing jaru kiba masan jahi ke jumpi kalau ke Sorkar ke EU. Mereka ke Sorkar ke Ngut ada ikenuhun ke alam kibik kipa kipa kecing jaru pergi bisa. Mereka bangun masuk kepada kami kalau ada lagi SOP yang in place in the kami lagi. Sungguh pada negara department masih jahit ketika jumlah jauh update negara macam secretary charge of department bah sudah diingat oleh dalam diri semua pada baik pada depth develop di formalities beragam dengan syukur berbuat net buat lebih dari apa senang benar dilihat dan berhenti diri buat personal dari bahwa kejadian kamu bersuk di mana kejadian harus di mana kejadian di mana kejadian tujuh dan gidan hangi kum kinongilang jo estate ningugi ipi ni ai ya borok ke kashan ke bagila gidan tu case to be helped where you can do it jinge mental stress you don't be doctor hangi you don't be professional therapist hangi ai kashan lagi de nenek ba dari jinge trailang jo ikni ba ni juga department di impetigra ba itu ba ikbik ba ba di dalam no sini di ila pada uta hari jopni yasingan pada dari dan kiwi ba ba dan yasinnya apa ide ba ban yalam yang ikut jopi syari ye jopi na department lo ba employ dan ai ke shan but it is about ikut jopi jadi ini iketin so she said I play a lot of Shirkya. I thank each one of you, and especially I think the team from Karnataka deserves a big round of applause. I think especially in this holy week and the mourning period that we are going through, mission is not just another word. It takes the zeal of a missionary to be above one's own immediate needs, to rise above one's own immediate needs and cater to what society at large needs. And we are all here to live up to the great teachings we have imbibed during the last Easter week. And today, when we remember the service of Pope Francis, it should also be our endeavor that we unleash that human element in each one of us, the philanthropist in each one of us, the giver in each one of us, the minister in each one of us.
Inapan board dia kata dia kata cukup hak keadaan no, with we have to follow the rules of the law that pertains RTI 2009. Di keikban kuapan ayah ini pi kantam pi kami kipa. Ban penting na wala lagi kun jupi ilawan sini ban Phai di minta pisah undum lesi. Bidon na hajik atatin. Shalu ini kena jupi gile. Henry Nagalian competition partner, idon ka jimut ka baskem, ba kini kina kidebe enjoy yang kata ka hok kecuki, magidon la kejong ka hok, ba kini beteng ya keskol cuki. Nawa ka ay bat kalabtha ba omde omnum anudon nuru kena ban syaino untuk company kina berha ha kata Henry kaduk katsosnen. Dekat undang ini kena bersyaino sitai board. Lari undang menunubak kanlat ban penduk yang kata pilih kena nadu plus 1 plus 8 par sitai board. Nama mereka Sorkar kalau bu yang kibun bentagi agensi lari kinong trade ban baik ban kini bakumno kini kena kena cumi kibahal akan kata Rio kata Sultan kidai ban don baik posko. Lesi la don kidu ki charging kiding pikyam dan dia manu berbuat cing dan dia manu berkhalat ki kamu lada kadek por pakai Sorkar kan shimkia yang kata kamu kan shimkia papan rak yang kita kibiu papan stop kegunaan tiga piki kiki baik betul lah ni mata kini kita skut jopi lada bidan haki tan kiriat naik dia tan terus lada ni ketan no stoin lani hane shlom ni kermen ni ai kani kecing kut jumut ba kini kina jopi lesi la shine shi kidai ban enroll kidai ban school haki school ke bangi insa but markup pada ba kecaka ba pisa kenapa kata kena school kenong kamsu benle Lumagalan ka I'm on, but to provide free and compulsory education to all the children from the age of 6 to 14 years of age. Kamamon kikina kitshon na class 1 atau class 8 ndaladat nanta kinsakat kitanya kedan jukli juki hak class 9 class 10. Di yamanta ini kina kedan dai kini kata jok kan rio kusosna. Hakmat juki badam ni por koi ba de kini ngisara shikaki pakran juki ba kini kikina ngin tikina ba kini kikina kimpeteng ya school puli juki ha ka jaga ke ba ngin sasilan ba kini ban peteng. Tapi kita pandai betul jika ada dia. Bahagian tak boleh kena ikut cuci. Hanu perlu buat tu selai kata. Ngirton kam, maka kau ke arti lagi. Bila dia boleh kena usung kelas 5, usung kelas 6, usung kelas 7, kelas 8 kita terter. Anda don kam hero dia kata formalities neki paper. Dan neki documents ke certificate don kam kita. Kebanyakan kalau ke first priority is to make them admit or enroll in a school. Kata kami commitment ban satisfy yang provisions kepada hak act. Okay, tegaman hak kani aki dan dari kerak syai, maka aji syai ini ban ongdan menuru kena ban let out dari ongdan menuru kena ban syak sengit dari penduduk yang kedang pulih dan itu dari ongdan menuru kena tu ban black one kan mission ba Unumyo mission. Piti bentuk kumainon lah ni berpindah ini juga kuat. Kalau mission nak kita kena kelas 1 atau kelas 8, kalau kita kena kelas kali kata beri orang kelas 9, atau kelas 9. Kalau mission kalau play betul, nak do pasal 9, ada pokok 9, kalau play betul mission. Kata yang ada bagi ini kita cuma banyak konsult ini, kau begini kena ni dari migrant workers. Nilai dan bertanya, she's ni katukan di belakang show secretnya. Kiwan shift no asli, let's say shift pada meeting. Kiwan admission di Khynnah skor kau pergi lawan napa, lemar ke kam jungi kam don shift sitai, ni doni kini kuat kanut lainut, hai yang pun boleh ini. Tinggi ibannya, hai pinsa, yang tulis juga katamu, hai pinsa, penting kenapa hai pinsa? Wah kita jaga pinsa pentingnya, hai pinsa. Itu yang tu headman. Local headman yang terjaga bangsa, kena pun identify bahawa desa ki bangsa terjaga. Walau pindah ki permanent resident tu, indai penting kena bahawa bangsa terjaga. Kena makan pensuk ya ke education department, ban identify. Kalau ke sekolah ke berjantam nak bertahu kena. Kalau ke sekolah berjantam nak bertahu kena. Tinjur ke kerja nak kena kibawan Phai minta. Ini jadi penting na, bag admission joki, kan undang joki. Tengok kami joki penting na, watch ni admission joki, let's see la cari si, ni la proses tabat berruit ni kena ada sekolah ke bawah. Tentang ini, nanti dari clarification, they can ask for you. Thank you very much.
Esteemed people who are sitting here with me, the officers from Karnataka, and I don't want to take much time because first of all I'm not well versed with Khasi, so I can only speak in English, and I'll just speak very briefly. I want to take this opportunity to thank first and foremost the Almighty that our children here today have reached safely, and as our Honourable Minister Mr. Ngut just said, with a great sense of relief that the children have come here safely, they are safe, they are healthy, and with God's grace they have reached their hometown and they are back and united with their families. So I want to thank the Almighty for this wonderful occasion here where we see families reuniting, because in the past it was very unfortunate when we heard the news about the 2 children who succumbed to the terrible situation that happened in Karnataka, where they passed away. And I think the entire state was extremely shocked and extremely disheartened and sad by that news. I want to thank the officers who went all the way to Karnataka to assess the situation and to make sure that the other children reached home safely. I want to thank the officers from the Karnataka government who were extremely proactive. I was constantly in touch with the SCPCR chairperson of Karnataka, and he was extremely forthcoming. He was very cooperative, and I would like to extend my gratitude to him for all the and his commission for all the work that they have done. I want to thank Mr. Paul Lindo. I want to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, the government of Meghalaya, because a lot of expedited work was done by the government as soon as this information was shared. And I think that everybody as a teamwork was able to work to ensure that the safety of the children would be restored as soon as possible. At this point of time, I also want to thank the media, because I feel like in this situation especially, the media was very proactive. We have renowned journalists like Madam Pritisha Mukhim, who are extremely vocal. I was also in touch with her, and there were many media people who went and covered the story, and they also made sure that the things were moving fast. So I just want to say thank you once again for this opportunity, for giving me an opportunity to speak here today, and I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who has been a part of this mission and who has been able to ensure that our children here today reach back home safely. And with these few words, I would like to conclude what I have to say, because before me, our Honorable Minister has said everything wonderfully. Madam Lingua has worked very hard and has been able to coordinate this entire program really well. Once again, thank you, and I wish all the children the very best. I really hope that in the coming times, if there is anything that we as a commission can do, the Meghalaya SCPCR can do, we would be very open to ensuring that your protection, your rights, and your well-being is taken care of by the commission. So these words, once again, thank you. God bless you.